Okay, so the next thing that I want to add is jumping. And that will be very easy too. So let's go back up to the top again. And we're going to add two variables in for jumping. One is for when the jump is executed when the button is pressed, and one is for the time, how long the player is going to go up, and then how long the player is going to go down. So let me show you. So first we're going to go to the on update section, and then we're going to type your key down. We're going to put the jump on the S key. So that means jump equals true. Okay, so got that. So now we're going to go down to the render section. Let's do it near this. Let's put it near this walking section. When the jump button is pressed, the jump timer starts. And if the timer is less than 80, Henry continues to go up. Otherwise, Henry goes down. And then when the jump timer reaches 160, which is, by the way, is 80 times 2. I mean, to keep it even, I'm making it an increment of 80 going up and then another 80 going down, which equals 160. So by the time the player comes down, jump timer will be 160 to keep it even. And then once that happens, the jump timer goes back to 0 and jump equals false, meaning that this whole if statement here is closed out or canceled. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so good. Your jump's pretty good.